Hi, John here, Auckland, New Zealand. I'm just watching this mini dive compressor and also the scuba gear, breathing gear apparatus, and a little bottle that you can free dive, or not free dive, but go down with no weight belts and heavy tanks. Looks impressive, but I just wanted to take a separate video so that I can promote myself with it and buy it sooner or later. So here goes.
In our ashes, feeling the sunshine once again, I move to the horizon, feeling the sunshine once again. Feeling the sunshine once again. Feeling the sunshine once so brightly up in the summer sky. I shouted at the mountains, watch me shine and fly. But then cracked the thunder and the heavens cried. Our world torn asunder, her heart said goodbye. Now I'm standing in our ashes, feeling the sunshine once again. I move to the horizon, feeling the sunshine once again. Feeling the sunshine once again. Feeling the sunshine once again.
15 minutes, I'll make it last 15 minutes. Full tank will last an hour. Pretty cool, huh? It's pretty cool. I love it. So there we are. I'm going down to the East Coast to a place called Te Araroa. That's where I'm from, the East Cape, towards the lighthouse, and East Cape Island. And but I'm stopping on the way there, just east of Tikaha, between Tikaha and Waiho Bay, at a place called Marae Hako. And that's where my friend lives, next to the rocks, and it's a sheer drop straight down, 43 meters down to 80 meters deep, straight off the edge to go straight down. I've got a heavy bottle here that I'm going to fill up today or tomorrow and have it tested, and away we go, down, drop in the water, have fun, back where I was. I have recovered over the last year and a half in heart rehab, and also drained my bad blood with bloodletting cupping, Chinese method of detoxing, the blood, and that has freed up my joints in my body and made me painless, and only have to go and try my lungs out because they're functioning well, and stomach, no upsets there, and it's fixed it really. So we'll see how we go and let you know about it. So that's me, John. Today it's Thursday the 9th of March 2017, and we're packing up ready to go. Off to the beach, my favourite fishing and diving spots at Marahako, Lawton Point, Matakawa Point and Horowera, East Cape. Those are my diving spots. Okay, bye for now. See you later. Bye.